Union Minister of State, Independent Charge, for Science and Technology, Minister of State, Independent Charge, for Earth Sciences, MOS PMO, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space. Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Dr. Jitendra Singh has said. Institutions like Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIPA, should work in sync with Karmayogi program of the Government of India to train personnel for tackling new challenges of governance, especially to young civil servants of not only centre but states and union territories as well. He was addressing the 325th Executive Council meeting of Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIPA, here today. He also mentioned that assistant secretaries on Delhi stint must be exposed to modern governance tools in IIPA for their better understanding. This will make them more aware bureaucrats. Envisaged in 2020. The flagship mission Karmayogi has been carefully designed to lay the foundations for capacity building for civil servants so that they remain entrenched in Indian culture and sensibilities and remain connected with their roots, while they learn from the best institutions and practices across the world. The program is being delivered by setting up an integrated government online training IGOT Karmayogi platform. Capacity of civil services plays a vital role in rendering a wide variety of services, implementing welfare programs and performing core governance functions. A transformational change in civil service capacity is proposed to be effected by organically linking the transformation of work culture, strengthening public institutions and adopting modern technology to build civil service capacity with the overall aim of ensuring efficient delivery of services to citizens. Speaking about injecting young blood in EPA, the minister said, "We took a decision of opening up of the membership because otherwise it was getting reduced to the retired officers club and the results have been very rewarding in the last 2 years, and we have youngest members among the assistant secretaries who just passed out of Mussoorie." He even suggested IIPA for thinking about having a membership drive because many of the prospective members have not acquired membership because they're not aware of it. He said, "Every year what we are doing is that we have a batch of assistant secretaries before they go to their respective cadres. We request them or suggest to them to acquire the membership, otherwise in the normal course most of them are not aware of it, but once they are told they're very happy doing it." The minister also informed about his initiative to make IIPA integrated board, which is much more integrated than a few years ago amalgamating institutions like Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, DOPT. About IIPA established on March 29, 1954. The IIPA believes in building upon the vision of its founding fathers. The IIPA aims to be one of the world's leading academic centers of thought and influence on public governance, policies and implementation so that public governance systems are more responsive to human needs and aspirations and aligned with human values. It also believes to create an enabling environment for the development and management of human resources of the government for efficient, effective, accountable, responsive, transparent and ethical governance.